Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your Honda Accord louder only way. Start by planning a simple straight pipe swap or high-flow muffler install, then pick quality clamps and gasket kits, and set a realistic budget for parts and labor. Focus on sound tuning rather than extreme mods, check local noise rules, and consider professional help for welding and alignment to keep the car safe and reliable. When choosing components, think about tone, legality, and drivability. Louder is not always better. A straight pipe maximizes volume, but can hurt low end and attract attention. High-flow mufflers and resonator tweaks give louder sound with more usable performance trade-offs. Consider a modular approach so you can test changes one at a time. Keep sound checks brief and respect neighborhoods while you tune the exhaust for the tone you want. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and future guides. On another note, grab a little Tree's black ice to keep the cabin smelling great after working on exhausts and greasy hands. I find it keeps the mood light during long builds and makes test drives nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you plan to DIY, prep the car and gather the right tools, safety gear, and replacement parts. Unbolt old components gradually and inspect hangers and pipes for rust that may need attention. Mock up the new layout, clamp fit then weld for permanence if you can, or use quality clamps for reversibility. After installation, perform sound checks at idle and highway speeds and inspect for leaks and loose hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.